Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Ian is a Weirdo. Today I'm going to talk about a couple things, and I'm going to start out by apologizing for those of you who were in the auction or were donors in the auction. I have been pretty slow at getting things out. The reason why is the auction was a lot for me. It drained my social battery so much. I didn't even realize how bad it was until I literally couldn't do anything the next day. And it kind of triggered what I would say for me is a mild to moderate depression. And I am really struggling to get things done. I'm still able to get out of bed, wash my face, brush my teeth, things that I'm not always able to do. So it's nice to have at least that. But talking to people, reaching out to my friends, being social, period, is really challenging for me right now. And I just, I want everyone who participated in the auction to know that you all are awesome, and I really appreciate you. I am begging at this point for some time to get the necessary information to people, because I'm really struggling. I don't know how to I just don't know how to word it. I have so many pieces of information in so many different places from different people, and I tried to keep things organized, but the auction itself, because I had never done it, I didn't know what people preferred, and I really am just oh my god, this is so much. So all this to say, I'm very sorry that I have been non-communicative to people regarding things around the auction. As you can see, I need to send things out myself. I have my flag behind me, and I've got the bag, my not bag that I need to send, and I was just hoping that everyone would pay at the same time, and everyone would send me their addresses at the same time. I'd have it all in one email address, so I'd be able to do all that. And that just wasn't how it worked, which I'm not blaming anybody for how things went, because it went awesome. We raised a lot of money. We did a great job. So I just what is this? Fuck, I don't know. I'm just struggling to kind of keep it together, I guess, is the best way to put it. I did paint this today and yesterday, and I'm pretty proud of it. The little moons look pretty stupid, but everything else I feel like looks good. I won't be giving any painting tutorials anytime soon because I'm not that great at it, but I do feel like this is a good thing. To get out of this depression, I'm trying to reconnect with my spirituality more and find some sense of peace in that. And that's really important to me, but I haven't really been exercising those muscles. So, as you know, if you don't exercise the muscles, they get weak. And I haven't been able to go to the gym to exercise those muscles. And I've not really been using my brain to exercise any muscles outside of my group therapy that I do. Which, by the way, we're going to start a podcast. And I'm really excited about that. Because I had my podcast Mentally Chill. But I think we're going to do something slightly different. So, God, I'm just uncomfortable. Yeah, I'm sorry to ramble, but I know in my heart that you all will be patient with me, and I'll start to get addresses out, and people can start sending things, and I can send my things, and everyone will be happy. I know that that's coming, but unfortunately it's just not right now. Unfortunately, it's just too much. Just the thought of it is like painful. And I know this may seem extreme or ridiculous to people who don't suffer from depression or understand depression, but sometimes it hits you like a freight train. Other times it kind of slips in, unnoticed, and all of a sudden you're depressed and you're like, what is this? And that's unfortunately the kind of depression this is. It's a very sneaky one, and I didn't realize I was depressed until maybe 2 days ago. But I've lost interest in a lot of things that I love. Like, I've started a lot of crochet projects, and I don't know when I'm gonna finish them. I don't know. I had this cool idea to make a Santa hat, and I got black fur for it and a black pom-pom, and I was gonna put Hail Santa on it, and then a pentagram, but I just don't think I'm gonna finish it. There's a lot of things that I just don't know if I'm gonna finish, but I know I have to finish the auction things, and so that's a priority for me. But right now, it's just the thought of it makes me nauseous. It is so much. So, anyways, I'm sorry to ramble, and thank you for being my friends and understanding that my mental health sometimes just takes the wheel. So, thank you for being understanding. And if you're not understanding, I get it. I was gonna say I understand, but I get it. Depression's weird, mental health is weird, and it can take you for a wild ride. So, all I'm asking for is a little grace with this right now. But if you can't give that, I understand. Please take care of yourselves. Make sure your mental health is good, or as good as it can be right now, and we'll get through this together. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.